Ain't got no gas in it.
All right, good morning, y'all. We got this pretty Kenmore side by side in. I mean, it still has some of the protective stickers on it and stuff from being new. This one's made by Whirlpool. Really solid units here. Let's plug it in and see what it does. And oh yeah, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, or at least leave me a comment or like. Let's do it. Man, I really do like this silver on gray. Let's plug her up. All right, let's see what it does. Heard the board click. All right. Condenser fan come on, compressor come on. That's a good sign. I don't think I hear the evaporator motor. All I hear is this damn dryer. All right, dryer off. No evaporator motor. We might need to take these shelves out, take this back out, and check that evaporator motor. We'll make sure we're getting power. They're pretty common. Let's see what this other Whirlpool does. See the similarities? Let's see, this one has a control board. This one has a regular thermostat. Like those. Since it's sitting next to it, let's see what it does. Ah, there's the relay click. Relay click. We need to test the compressor and maybe throw a relay on it. Cool. All right, since this Whirlpool was just a clicker, let's start with that one. Unplug it, and then we'll take all these quarters out. All right, these little gray relays are so common. Pull the little retainer strap and work it off of there. Sometimes you'll hear them rattle or smell them. I don't smell it burnt. All right, let's test the compressor. All right, with your meter set on ohms, we need to make sure none of them are grounded. So you want to test from all the terminals to the most important wire, the ground, and none of them are grounded, so that's a good thing. Now we need to see what they read across the common. So from run to common, which is the top one, we've got 2.9. Wow, that seems low. And from start to common, the left one and the top one, we have 5.8. And now they should equal each other when you test across them. So from start to run, 8. Yeah. From start to run. So it's checking good. Let's throw a relay on there, see what it does. So I got this 3-in-1 off of a 2018 French door GE last week. Somebody had come out there and charged the man $400 to put a $20 part on, and then said, okay, it lasted a day, and said, okay, well, you have a bad compressor when he come out there, and wanted $1,800 to put a compressor in. So needless to say, he brought me the refrigerator and I put a compressor in for $525 out the door. He wasn't really happy with that price because he's like, they put this on for 400 and you're putting a compressor in for 5? Okay, so red is the run, so it needs to go on the right. Red, right, run. Black is the common, it goes on top. And white is the start on the left. Now sometimes these are inverted and you just spin it. Just whoop. Okay, now we will splice it into our power wires. Okay, there's no positive or negative, no polarity, but if you see there's 2 whites and 1 red, so 2 whites go to 1 black and the red goes to the other black. And then we'll plug it in and see what it does. Hopefully it kicks it off. Oh yeah, then that little run capacitor plugs onto the 2 terminals in between the start and run. And look, I'm not gonna be one to sit there and say what somebody else's time is worth, but it's on the steeper side. I mean, my 15-20 minute repair might be cheaper than somebody else's 15-20 minute repair. So, and if you're using the factory original relay, that's a difference. Oh, that is not good. That line is too shiny. Uh-oh. Coffee is life. All right, let's see what she does. Oh, that does not sound good. Not really that high. Well, dang. I was hoping it would just be a quick, easy relay fix on this white one because they're so simple. But looks like we're gonna have to pierce it and pull the Freon, make sure there's some in there, and slap a compressor in it. The silver and black one is still running, but it hasn't gotten cold down there to the bottom Freon line, and usually you start seeing them frost very quickly. And the evaporator motor's not running. So both of these are pretty serious, it kind of seems. Dang, I was hoping it would be a little relay. But let's keep going. Can't give up now. All right, so I could not find my clamp-on piercing pliers, so I had to tap it, but we had plenty of gas to recover. So let's snatch this comp out and we'll put another one in.
This is Alabama.
But no, for real, somebody just dropped off this water heater. And I need to roll it out of the way. What happened to water heaters? You used to never change a water heater for like 30 years. But I wonder what the year is on this one. Probably says it. I don't know. Oh, I could probably look it up here. Yeah. 2019? Wow, that's a youngin'. Huh, that sucks. Started leaking on them. Probably make a good smoker or target. But yeah, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. We are getting closer and closer to 900. 800. All right, off to the parts dungeon. Let's see. I guess we might have to actually use this Jipara. I do not know how to pronounce that. That's a little bitty small compressor though. 12.7 LRA though. Huh. Well, let's give it a shot. All right, as you can see, I just stripped the wires back going to the original relay and just want to make sure that it runs. Yep. Running and pumping. Jaya Chipara. I'm butchering it. All right, so just like any other compressor, 7/16, we'll unsweat this, unsweat the high side, put a dryer on. We're in business. All right, now my favorite part. Getting the 7/16 out. All right, so this is the worst part of the whole job. You know the drill. Got to get all 4 of these 7/16 out, and then we'll unsweat the old compressor and solder the new one in. They're definitely almost out of oxygen. Dang. Safety first. Yeah, we out. Let's see what we got in this one. A little low. Tank swap. Ain't got no gas. It ain't got no gas. I like mustard and biscuits. Now we got juice. Oh. All right, just like all the other ones, we'll get her red hot and pull it on out. That's the high side. We'll pull out the low side and don't touch it because it is hot. Hot, 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 hot. Last screw. Yeah. Yeah. Ain't got no feet. Screw it to it. Hook up the ground. Make sure the ground is good. Earth. All right. All right, we'll put our Schrader valve there. Pow. High side there. Pow. Okay.
didn't do my ritualistic sanding.
Woo! Well, I forgot about the dryer. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Looks good. All right. All right. Quick comp change, quick comp change. Sorry this was a long one, y'all, but it's just a lot of steps. But don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment about your refrigerators.
Pull it out and put that in. And light it up again. That's not looking good.
I don't know about that one. I don't know. That one does not look good. I think it's because I didn't do my ritualistic sanding. How many leaks do we have? Let me get the bubbles. Oh, I can't believe that thing's not leaking. Well, it might be ugly, but it ain't leaking. Don't forget the core. All right. Vacuum time. Those old Whirlpool refrigerators, even like this one, this old ugly Crosley. So simple, so simple. And they just run. So it's worth putting a compressor and a relay in there and getting 10 more, 15 more years out of them. Just basic. This one, it's a little bit more complicated. It has things like dampers and thermistors and an adaptive defrost control board, but still great boxes. We'll fix it too. All right, we got our most important wire hooked up, the earth. Go ahead and put our $400 3-in-1 on. Red, right, run. Left, start. And black is common. Pow pow. Stuff it up in there. All right, let's give it the juice. There she come on. And we're pumping on down. Want to get it to run at about 0. I like to get it at about 0 to 3. starting to get a temperature change off of the high side. Usually get nice and warm, and the low side will be cool. That right there is what I was looking for in that other one. See how that one is getting white and frosted already? That other one's not. All right, y'all, another day in appliance paradise around here. Putting compressors. I got the water hooked up. About to check the ice maker. But, well, we're still at 20. Thank y'all for watching. Hit the like and subscribe to the channel. We're almost to 800. We're gonna make that 1,000. I don't know if it'll be this month like Retire on Dividends says, and TC and all them, but we'll try. Hit that like, leave me a comment. See y'all tomorrow. LA Appliance Guy out. See y'all tomorrow. Have a great day.